We'll conclude now first session. Hello. Yes, I hope we are about to conclude this. We are about to conclude.
I'm checking it.
Yeah. So now, dear parents, it's time to take a goodbye in terms of a short break, not goodbye like this, but for a short Pongal break. The children are very excited, especially class 10th who has been here with me. I made them stay after 10th also, after 9th evening. मैंने बच्चों को रोक लिया कि मैं 3 दिन आपके साथ और पढ़ूंगी और पढ़ाऊंगी आपके साथ और पढ़ूंगी भी. पर you know, I'm glad that yes, children accepted this request of mine. And we were working for past 2-3 days with them, but now the time has come also for them to take a break. We are just 25 days away from the board examination. So my humble request to all the parents who have come to pick up their children, that please send them back by 16th evening or 17th morning. Please send them back, because we are on the, I can say, on severe and very extensive revision task. First paper happens to be on 15th of February of English, after which there is a gap of 4 days only for the paper of science. So we will be working with the paper of science in just forthcoming 10 days, so that children are better prepared for paper number 2. And all of you, please cooperate in this. It doesn't matter that you may stay one day over also, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, पर हमारे teachers वापस आएंगे. They are also going, many of them are South Indians, so they will also return back after 4 days. But at the same time, I do find if the children will return, I am asking the teachers to return back. पर बच्चा लोगों को भी वापस आना है, तो 16th evening को आप लोग पोंगल अच्छे से celebrate करिए. By 16th evening or 17th morning, please send your children back to the school. Now you can make a move, I hope so, for some refreshments out there in our canteen, and also for the lunch which is awaiting. It may take some time of another 20 minutes for the lunch, but I hope you all are very excited about the lunch of IDPS. How many of you love the lunch of IDPS? Let me know. Let me know. Yes, I want to see the hands raised. Yes, yes. I also love it. We have got exclusive our services of canteen. The cooks, they are expert in their dishes, and you love it, and our children also love it. With that, once again, happy Pongal. Anything else? Let's wind off. Who's coming? Doesn't matter, they'll sit and they'll talk. Srinivas sir, I hope we can open the doors. They can sit and they can talk by the time the things are ready. Not an issue? Yes, it's... Who are here? I can see many of these young boys are there of class 6 and 7, if I am not wrong. Yes sir, have you given to them? Yeah. There are young boys of class 6 and 7. Oh yes, Sai sir is here. Welcome you sir, please welcome Sai sir. Yes, Shishir Mittal sir, he is chairman sir, Mr. Sai, and he is Utkarsh Gupta. Please sir. What to say now?
Starting. So, I would like to say one thing. Might be you all are quite aware that our chairman sir, when he thought about a school in Cherukupalli, is a kind of rural area, he come with a vision to provide his students a world-class facility, so that when they will go in urban areas, they must not feel wow. The reason behind this is, if the things which we can provide in villages, why our kids need to go in cities to rejoice such things? That's why the all things or the infrastructure, if you will see, of IDPS is a world-class infrastructure, each and every room equipped with ACs, and a 5-star facility we are providing here. So I will say that as you all know, that Kota is famous for producing IITians. This time we will say Cherukupalli will be the hub for producing IITians. So with this, I will show that as you produce your hopes in our institutions, we are ensuring in return that we will show our 100% and we will make our students that at the place of Kota, we will say it's a Cherukupalli. And our students will go spread their knowledge towards the world and they will say that we are from IDPS Cherukupalli. So, with these words, I will say, ma'am to say a few words and after that we will further for next program. Yes, ma'am. You want to say?
Yes, Science sir is here with us today. We know that he's a very young, dynamic man, and the chairman sir and his family is committed to give quality education, and I hope it is a dream come true for the people of Cherukupalli and the nearby areas. The children are coming far away from Sri Lanka, from Chirala and from Repalli, and even the children from, yes, they are from, one of the student is saying from Ongole, yes, right. Also from Bangalore, there are students here in the school from Bangalore, far away, and just their parents have believed in us, they have trusted in us that this one school in Andhra Pradesh is a premier institution. In terms of infra, it's okay. In terms of facilities, it's okay. But the commitment to give the quality faculty which makes the difference in the school in terms of the quality of the children which come out year after year by bringing, I can say, by bringing to them the name and fame, by qualifying in various competition. That is what is school remembered for a long period of time. Many of the parents sometimes say me that, madam, this facility or this particular thing is not there. But I found mostly the parents who interact with me, they are more worried about the academics of their children. They talk mostly to me, ma'am, how is the studies going? He is weak in this subject. He is weak in this area. How can I do? What your teachers can do? How both the parents and teachers actually, collaborate together in this journey of your child. It is something like a pyramid. On top is your child. It is a pyramid, triangle, like a prism. On top is your child. Here at one base is the school and the another base is your home. Both the school and the home come together for the bringing up of your child, which is on the top of the pyramid. So I look forward that the management, if they have dreamt about it, they have brought it. मैनेजमेंट ने इसका सपना देखा और इस सपने को पूरा किया है. आपके ड्रीम्स के लिए उन्होंने एक स्टेप लिया है, आपके बच्चे के ड्रीम्स को पूरा करने के लिए एक स्टेप लिया है, और इस स्टेप में आप अगर हमारे साथ चलते हैं, इफ यू वॉक विथ अस, I hope we are able to take this journey forward with many more dreams to come true, many IITians to come up from this Cherukupalli, and this small town can make its name on the national level in the map of India. Oh, from Cherukupalli, one child has topped the country in its AIR ranking in IIT, or taken admission in AIMS or any other good medicine college. So with these wishes, and good luck to each one of you. Yeah, the parents who have the booklets with, I think I had given, one of the student, please get up. Mahant, please get up, and Shiva, please collect the booklets. There were many booklets with us. Please ensure that all the books you are taking from the parents. And now we take a leave of you. I hope you are moving forward for the lunch towards the canteen area. Thank you, dear parents. Please open the door. Front door may be opened up for the exit. Thank you. Thank you, everybody.